Let us look at proposition number 13 of book 12 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says, if a cylinder is cut by a plane parallel to the opposite planes, then the cylinder is to the cylinder as the axis is to the axis. So here we have a cylinder AD which has been cut by a plane. So let me just show you what I mean by that. So it has been cut by a plane, and the intersection of the plane with the cylinder will form a circle. What this does is it divides the cylinder into two cylinders such that cylinder is to cylinder is equal to the axis is to axis. So let the cylinder AD be cut by the plane GH parallel to the opposite planes AB and CD. What the proposition says is that cylinder BG is to cylinder GD as axis EK is to axis KF. So let's see how we can prove this. Extend the line EF in both directions, and we cut the line beyond E into segments equal to EK. So let's say N and L. So here EK is equal to EN is equal to NL. Similarly, the line beyond F into segments in equal to KF, O and M. So here FO is equal to OM is equal to KF. Construct the cylinder PW on the axis LM. So we form a cylinder on LM with the same radius as the given cylinder AD. Now Ln is equal to Ne is equal to Ek, and since the heights of these cylinders is equal, we know that the cylinders are proportional to their bases. So which means cylinder QR is to cylinder RB is to cylinder BG is equal to circle PQ is to circle RS is to circle AB. And since these circles are equal to each other, that means the cylinders QR, RB and BG are equal to each other. Now, the multitudes of the axes Ln, Ne and Ek is equal to the multitude of the cylinders QR, RB, BG. So, depending on the number of such cylinders that we have created, we will have KL. KL is equal to N times KE. And cylinder QG is equal to N times cylinder BG. Now, similarly, on the other side as well, we will end up with Km is equal to N times Kf, and cylinder GW is equal to N times cylinder GD. Remember, the multitudes are same on this side and on this side as well. So if KL is greater than Km, then cylinder QG will be greater than cylinder GW. If it is less, it will be less. If it is equal, it will be equal. So let me just demonstrate this. So you see, so here they are equal. KL is equal to Km. Then the cylinders will also be equal. If it is greater, if KL is greater than Km, then cylinder QG will be greater than cylinder GW. If it is less, it will be less. Which means that axis EK is to axis KF is equal to cylinder BG is to cylinder GD, which is what we had to prove. So that is proposition number 13 of book 12 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it. And if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.